January is the month that I tend to do shop upgrades, and this year I went ahead and did a few, and luckily they were sponsored by Inkerma and their Ace tape. More on that in a bit as we use it throughout the entirety of this build.
I'm going to use these 1x4x8s to make this shelf more sturdy because it is very easy to tip over.
Inkerma's Ace tape is a very good tape measure. Most of the time, I didn't use the laser measure. I only used the tape itself, which held very well. It's oftentimes where they have those like self-hold features and they actually slick back a little bit. This had none of that, so that is wonderful. I did use the laser measurement later on in the video, and it does take into account the actual tape dispenser itself, so you don't have to worry about counting for that. It has it built in. I would personally recommend this tape for anyone who's looking for something kind of like a mid-range tape. You don't, obviously, for woodworking, need long, 25-foot tapes. 12 feet sometimes can be a little small. 16 feet seems to be like a pretty good range. Also, if you do need a longer tape, again, you can always use the laser and it will do the exact same thing that you need. And honestly, without you having to worry about if you measured correctly or not. Now let's go ahead and get back to the video. Thank you so much for watching this build. This actually took me over a month to complete because of the weather and me being sick for most of the month. So I really appreciate your patience with me. The more videos are coming along. I have more projects that I have planned for. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and again, shout out Inkerma for sending me their Ace tape. Again, thank you so much for the sponsorship, and enjoy watching me pet my neighbor cat so she can get some attention while I go ahead and sign off. Thank you again so much. Have a good day.